Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Woo! Woo woo! So today it's gonna be something different. I'm gonna be doing a motovlog, and this is about the mini microphone that I did just recently. I did this because I ordered the Heritage ETM001 microphone via Lazada, and it's gonna take about a week or so for it to be delivered on the mail. So I need to have an alternative mic while I'm waiting for it. So the initial plan is to buy the Booyah BYMM1 microphone, the lavalier microphone. I thought about it, but I just opted to do my own microphone because for me, spending another 1,000 for an alternative microphone is not really that worth it. Especially, I already spent like 2,300 with the Heritage microphone, and I know it's a bit overpriced, but as how it is. I know the mic performs well, the Heritage one. So I took the chance to grab it. It's only available in Lazada. It's not available in Shopee or other sites that I've checked. Also with the Facebook Marketplace. So I took it, and I've read a couple of reviews about it already online, and as I can see, it performs pretty well. And this video is actually to test the mini microphone that I created. So yeah, I'm using it now. So the current setup is I'm using a GoPro Hero 7. The resolution is 1080p, 60 frames per second, and on super view. And yeah, with the audio, I'm using the DIY microphone, mini microphone that I did, that came from a broken Samsung earpiece. Yeah, hopefully it's getting the audio well. If not, I'm gonna garbage this footage that I have for my first ever motovlog. Looks like my wheels are kind of flat, or it's just me. So here, just to test the microphone, I'm running as fast as I could. I'm currently on 80 kilometers per hour. Hopefully you can still hear me well. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, sound check, mic test. I believe I'm already talking too much, and I may be boring you out, guys, but yeah, I'm gonna end the video now. So if you like the video, click on the like button, and if you do have any questions about my setup or what motorcycle that I have, you can also put in on the comment section. And please do subscribe to my channel. I'm a new vlogger, so any subscription is a great thing to me. I would really appreciate it. So So guys, this is Gerard again, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.